I can't take it when I'm gone, 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 gone.
Got him. That's a nice one, guys. Oh. I was just pulling that creature bait out of the water and came up and grabbed it. Saw the whole thing. Yeah, it's a largemouth, not a spot. Good to know these guys are still in here after everyone's putting these pike in. I knew there was a nice one on this tree. Ow, dude! It's a nice bass. This is the calmest fish I've ever had on my kayak. Alright guys, nice bass. I'm gonna let him go. Alright, there he goes, guys. See you. Got him. We switched over to the Northland Slurpees, like a brush hog. This one going and I'll show you it. Alright guys, here's what we're using. It's that. It's pegged. I have a 1/4 ounce brass weight on there. Alright, hey guys, my main camera died. And I'm just recording with my phone now. I got a nice bass here. Caught him on that Slurpees brush hog. Alright, we're gonna let him go. Alright, there goes, guys. See ya. I was trying, or my line got all wrapped up in my reel, or my reel handle right there. So I was trying to untangle it, and then I saw my line moving off, so I had to set the hook and pull him in by hand. little bass. Alright, I'll let him go. 17.75 inches. Mitchell's gonna weigh it now. And yeah, make sure you get it down here so I can see it. Alright, bring it down here. I wanna see it. 3.5 pounder. That's nice. Alright. Alright. Alright, I'll let him go. Oh my god, that's a nice fish, dude. That's that, guys. And we're fishing in the Jordan Mill Pond. Alright. Turn on the light. Mitchell! Come here and get a picture of it quick. I only want one more picture. Alright, there we go. I guess that'll work. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Alright, there she goes, guys. Off to live another day. Alright, see ya.